Zach Dewhurst here, and I want to go over Columbus Promos as a company. Columbus Promos was the first brand that I created in 2009, and essentially it has now become the holding company for all of our subsidiary brands. And over the past 10 years, we've created many different subsidiary brands. To make a long story short, we did not want to just be an average custom t-shirt printing business that essentially, again, is just a business that has potential. Instead, we wanted to build a company, and we've kind of built a little bit of our own miniature conglomerate for the decoration industry that's very diversified and has the ability to kind of keep the business busy at all times with many different products and services. So we're going to go over the different brands, what they do, and why they have so much potential. So first we have Deco Experts. Now Deco Experts is a very unique opportunity that essentially we've been using Deco Network software for the past 9 years. And Deco Network software is used to streamline the efficiency of a custom decoration business. There are businesses throughout the entire world, thousands of them, using this software. And to make a long story short, we know how to use this software and we understand the decoration industry better than anybody else. And this software, it comes with a nice learning curve, and we can drastically reduce that learning curve, but also be building relationships with the clients that can lead to us fulfilling other products and services for them. So Deco Experts revolves around consulting and website design services for custom decoration businesses. A part of Deco Experts, so Deco Experts is all about consulting, but in order to create leads for the consulting and create the value and so forth, we have created two different things. We have decodegree.com and we have the Custom Decoration Industry News Channel. Okay, so Deco Degree is where we host all of our curriculum and education guides. We have 6 education guides that go over everything related to the custom decoration industry. Essentially, one of our core competencies to gaining certain types of clients is the fact that we have more content on the decoration industry than anyone else. We have over 300 education articles and videos that have taken years to produce, but again, the one thing that is always consistent with the internet is that content is king. And speaking of king, I just think of Stephen King, one of the greatest writers of all time. He can take his thoughts and he can create value out of thin air. We wanted to kind of do that, the same thing for the custom decoration world, where we are teaching the industry from the inside out, going very detailed. For anybody who's a beginner or has been in the industry for many years, they can take advantage of these education guides. Now, in order for, but a lot of people don't want to just go read a book. They also want episodes or channels. They think of the news, you know. You don't just go to an encyclopedia and just read about what happened and never worry about what is happening. And so we've created the Custom Decoration Industry News Channel, and we're partnering up with Deco Network. Essentially, we create the content, Deco pushes it to their clientele, and they have a lot of clientele. The Decoration Industry News Channel revolves around blogging every week. So every week we post articles related to the custom decoration industry. And then every week we also post video episodes that are 10 to 15 minutes long that go over the custom decoration industry. This really sets us apart from other consulting businesses within the industry because our content creates a lot of value and it just creates a lot of lead generation. And then again, we can charge for that content in the form of Deco Degree. But again, one thing that is always consistent with the internet and websites, content has a lot of value, and the content we're creating, it just creates a lot of opportunities for us to build trust and rapport with a lot of Deco Network clients who are ideal for our other services, which comes to our next point. So Deco Experts, Deco Degree, Custom Decoration Industry News Channel. This is all revolving around consulting services and selling education materials. It then correlates with our next brand, Print Phase. So Print Phase is really has several subsidiary brands of its own, because we are a one-stop shop for all custom decoration business needs. We are a supplier slash outsource tool for other custom decoration businesses. So whether a business needs screen print transfers, they want an affiliate website, they need to outsource orders, they need to buy blank apparel, they need to buy screen printing supplies, and many others, as you can see, we are a one-stop shop for businesses to outsource to us. So Deco Experts creates a lot of relationships with businesses within the industry. PrintPhase capitalizes on it when it comes to actually fulfilling products. Our main product, come back here, is transfers.printphase.com. So transfers, a screen print transfer is, we sell custom screen print transfers. So customers can either send us their artwork, they can use our online design tool, or they can use a design template to essentially create artwork that we then print onto a sheet of paper that they can then heat press onto garments. You've seen them at events all the time. This is one of the best websites and tools for ordering custom screen print transfers. And the idea is, one of the most commonly, the people who purchase transfers are other businesses within the industry who just don't have screen printing equipment. Or they might have screen printing equipment, but they also buy transfers because it's very much so a complementary decoration process, not as much of a substitute for direct screen printing. Screen print transfers are going nowhere. It's actually going to keep gaining more and more popularity because people aren't going to buy screen print equipment. They're going to buy transfers, which a lot less equipment, a lot less learning curve, and many other advantages. Outside of transfers, we have virtually every other custom decoration process in-house that we are willing to do at a contract price for another decoration print business. So any business that we come along through our consulting services and so forth, if they don't offer all of the decoration services that their customers demand, they can outsource what they need to us, and we'll white label drop ship their order directly to their customer. Customers want to go to a one-stop shop. They don't want to have to be going to multiple companies, and this allows a company to outsource to us, and we will help them be that one-stop shop their customers are demanding. Lastly, we have affiliate.printphase. So outside of custom decoration businesses, we also work with just regular businesses, schools, entrepreneurs, virtually anybody who thinks they can sell apparel. We will provide them with a website that they can essentially use as a fundraising or as an ordering portal to be selling retail apparel and other products. So we provide our clients with websites just like ours that then allow them to sell products. And what the affiliate print phase is our opportunity, but Deco Experts really revolves around doing this for other custom decoration businesses. So these are our main products that serve the purpose for clients created from leads from these brands. And then the other is print fundraising. So obviously PrintPhase, print fundraising sound very familiar. Print fundraising is specifically created as a fundraising opportunity for high school business programs. So I was a part of something called DECA in high school, and DECA teaches entrepreneurship and encourages students to start their own business. So after I graduated, what did I do when I turned 20? I bought a heat press and I started buying screen print transfers. Now I want to take my knowledge and experience and start selling schools heat presses and then selling them the transfers and the blank products and so forth. We've been doing this for a handful of years. We have over 75 schools using it. You will not find a better learn and earn experience where students are learning about how to start a business, and they are really a part of the success of the business because they're doing the printing and everything else. And then our education from decodegree.com is all of the curriculum that the schools want. So in order for a fundraising learn and earn opportunity to be valuable to a school, there must be education components. And we have created more curriculum and education than any fundraising opportunity out there. I obviously I'm going to be biased, but when we go to the actual conferences, there's not another fundraising opportunity that comes close to ours, because every school, they sell apparel. People buy spiritware, and there's no reason that a school should not be insourcing it and letting the students learn about running a business at the same time. So print fundraising is a lot like Print Phase, but essentially print fundraising recruits schools to take advantage of our opportunities, and they buy all their products from Print Phase. So if you think about it, Deco Experts, I mean, we sell things, but services, but Deco Experts and print fundraising are all the lead generation for our main product, transfers.printphase.com. Now, lastly, to diversify ourselves more, we have some retail brands. So Creative Customizing. Creative Customizing is our customink.com. This is the website where you can create any custom product if you're a B2C, so if you're just a consumer, or a B2B. You're not looking for a client relationship, you're just looking to place a quick order. Creative Customizing has hundreds of products to customize, and we also sell hundreds of retail products as well. So very similar to a Zazzle Cafe Press, where we're offering blank products and we're also selling retail products that we've designed ourselves. Now, Creative Customizing is kind of like the head of our other subsidiary retail brands. So as you can see, we have like Start Awesome, Ohio Swag, FordShirts.com, ZombiesNeedLove.com. So like Start Awesome, this is all entrepreneurship apparel. Ohio Swag, it's all Ohio themed apparel. Zombies Need Love, obviously it's zombie themed apparel. Ford Shirts, it's all licensed Ford shirt apparel. So again, we try to diversify ourselves, because when we're selling directly to the end consumer, we have better margins and so forth. And again, just allows us to be as diversified as possible. So over the past 10 years, as you can see, we've created a lot of different brands and opportunities. And the problem's been, sometimes cash flow has been a little bit harder, because I was overly ambitious on creating something that has never been done before. The idea is to think different and don't be a typical t-shirt printing business. And we have caught the eyes of some big partnerships as far as like Deco Network that no one else has. And it's allowed us to really, launch a couple really unique things. And the relationships we've built over the past 10 years are very powerful, and the future is very bright, and we're very diversified. Our assets way outweigh our debts. We just haven't focused on trying to make as much money as possible compared to let's build a company that is very sustainable. It's not going to go anywhere. I mean, again, we revolve around printing apparel. The industry's not going to go anywhere. People are always going to wear apparel. And we are in a position that we are more of a supplier with Print Phase than a end distributor like Creative Customizing and so forth. Hopefully this makes sense. Again, we're coming up on our 10-year anniversary, and we're really excited about where the future is going. Thanks for watching.